This is your Vanashri ma'am taking up maths. Now, today I will be taking up fundamental operations in algebra. Fundamental operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now, this topic is common in all three grades, that is 6, 7, 8. This is very important concept, very basic concept, and that is why it is common in all the three grades, of course at varying levels. So I'll be doing it together for all of you. So for 6th standard it may be new, but for 7th and 8th it will be revision and consolidation. It's a very important topic. You can make out when it is made common for all the three classes because it is basic of mathematics. Without the knowledge of these four operations in algebra, you cannot proceed further in maths. So children, let us all revise and learn fundamental operations in algebra. Okay. So now you all must have heard algebraic expressions. For example, algebraic expressions of the type, these are called, for example, x square minus 3xy plus 3y square plus 8 is an example of algebraic expression. Say 6xy plus 2xz plus 3 yz or zy. These are all examples of algebraic expressions, or algebraic expression of the form x square plus y square plus z square plus 3xyz is also an algebraic expression. So these are all called algebraic expressions. These are all examples of algebraic expressions. Okay. So now we will learn addition, subtraction, multiplication, division using these algebraic expressions. In your smaller classes you have learned addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of numbers. Now we will learn addition, subtraction, multiplication, division involving algebraic expressions. Okay. So let us start first with addition. One by one we will learn. Okay. So first we will learn addition of algebraic expressions. So let us learn addition of algebraic expressions. Now this addition can be done in two methods. One method is called vertical method or column method. The another method is called horizontal method. So we will do both the methods. Okay. So first of all, suppose we are asked to add, the following algebraic expressions. Add the following algebraic expressions, and the expressions are, say, minus x square minus 3xy plus 3y square plus 8. This is one expression. The other expression is 3x square minus 5y square minus 3 plus 4xy, and the third expression is minus 6xy plus 2x square minus 2 plus y square. Okay. So we have to add these three algebraic expressions. So now, as I told you, there are two methods. One method is called column method. The other method is called horizontal method. In higher classes, we will be using only the horizontal method. In higher classes, you cannot use column method. Okay, but you have to learn both. Okay, you must know both. Now, in column method, you have to arrange all similar terms in columns. That means, observe me carefully. Let me write the first expression as it is. So, minus x square minus 3xy plus 3y square plus 8. Now, in the second expression, the x square term I will write exactly below x squared term along with the coefficient. Okay, then with the sign we will write minus 5y square. So our y square is here, so minus 5y square. Then minus 3, this is a constant number, so minus 3. Then plus 4xy, so plus 4xy. Then in the third one, minus 6xy. So minus 6xy will come exactly below xy, plus 2x square will come under x square, and minus 2 will come under these constant numbers, plus y square will come under y square terms. Okay, now we will add column wise. So plus 3x square minus x square minus, but there is no coefficient, means it is understood as 1. So minus 4x square and plus 2x square. So minus 4 plus 2 will become minus 2x square. Okay, and you are aware of integers. Okay, the sign of the bigger number will come. So minus 4x square plus 2x square will give you minus 2x square, and here minus 6xy minus 3xy is minus 9xy. Minus 9xy and plus 4xy will give you minus 5xy, right? And then plus 3y square and plus y square is plus 4y square, and minus 5y square will give you minus 1y square. Plus 8, and here minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. So plus 8 minus 5 will give you plus 3. Okay. So this is the answer in column method. Now in horizontal method, the same thing we will do, but we will put similar terms in brackets. That is all x square terms in one bracket. So minus 1x square minus 3x square plus 2x square. All the x square terms, all the x square terms here, minus x square minus 3x square and plus 2x square we have put in one bracket, then plus the other term, that is xy. So minus 3xy, then plus 4xy, then minus 6xy, then plus y square terms. So again y square terms, plus 3y square, then minus 5y square, then plus y square. Then we have the constant terms. Constant terms are plus 8, then we have minus 3, then here we have minus 2. So whatever you have wrote in columns, here you will be writing horizontally in brackets. So this will happen, this implies again minus 1, minus 3, minus 4. Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2x square. Then minus 3, minus 6, minus 9xy plus 4xy, the minus 5xy. Then plus 3y square plus y square is plus 4y square and minus 5y square. So minus 1y square. Then plus 8 minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5, plus 8 and minus 5 is plus 3. So this is the answer, will be same in both the methods. Only thing is how you do is different. Okay. Now let us do one more example. Is it clear to all of you children? Practice this on your own. Okay, children, let us do the second example. Add the following algebraic expressions. They are x cube plus y cube minus z cube. This is z is written in this way, plus 3xyz. Then you have x minus x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 6xyz. And the third expression we have to add is x cube minus y cube minus z cube minus 8xyz. Okay, so we have two methods, horizontal method and column method. So column method and horizontal method. Okay, now in column method we write the first expression as it is, that is this one. So x cube plus y cube minus z cube plus 3xyz. Now in the second expression we write similar terms in the below the similar one. So minus x cube, when there is no sign it is understood as plus. Okay, then we have plus y cube, then we have plus z cube minus 6xyz. Now in the third expression again we have x cube minus y cube minus z cube minus 8xyz. Okay. Now in horizontal method we group similar terms in one bracket. So in the first bracket we will group x cube terms. So x cube, then minus x cube and plus x cube, all three grouped. Then we have plus I can't write only now. Plus we have one small technical problem, children. Let me see. The third time. I can't do anything. It is just hanging. Neither can I write. What can I say?
না এটাকে অন করে স্টার মার্ক ঢালতে হবে, তাহলে এটা রেজিস্টার হবে।
অন করে দিল।
আচ্ছা ওকে,
সব তো রেকর্ড হয়ে গেল তোমার কথাগুলো। Okay, now children, in the horizontal method we have to group the similar terms in similar brackets. Okay, one bracket. So all the x cube terms we have grouped here. Then all y cube terms. So plus y cube, then here plus y cube and minus y cube. Then plus 3x, no, then z cube term, minus z cube. Here we have plus z cube and here you have minus z cube. Okay, and then xyz term. Here we have plus 3xyz. Here we have minus 6xyz. And then we have minus 8xyz. Okay, children. Now, let us here in column method we will add. So plus x cube minus x cube gets cancelled. You are left with plus x cube. Then plus y cube minus y cube cancels. So you are left with plus y cube. Plus z cube minus z cube cancels. So you are left with minus z cube. Then here plus 3xyz and minus 6xyz gives you minus 3xyz. Minus 3xyz and minus 8xyz gives you minus 11xyz. Do you follow? See, plus 3 minus 6 gives you minus 3. Then minus 3 and minus 8 gives you minus 11. Okay. Now here you will get minus x cube plus x cube gets cancelled, so x cube. Here plus y cube minus y cube cancels, so plus y cube. Here again plus z cube minus z cube cancels, so minus z cube. Here again plus 3xyz minus 6xyz is minus 3xyz. Minus 3xyz and minus 8xyz is minus 11xyz. So that is the answer. Okay, now let us do another example. The more we do, the better you will understand. Now question 3. Question 3. Add x minus 3y minus 2z. Then we have 5x plus 7y minus z and minus 7x minus 2y plus 4z. So this is the question. So now we will do it first in horizontal method, and then, or maybe first we will do in column method, and then we will go to horizontal method. Okay. Now in column method we write the first as it is, x minus 3y minus 2z. Then the next expression 5x plus 7y minus z. Then the third expression minus 7x minus 2y plus 4z. So you add column wise. Plus x, there is nothing, means 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 and minus 7 is minus 1x. Okay. Whether you write minus 1x or simply x, it means same. Then minus 3 plus 7 gives you plus 4. Plus 4 minus 2 gives you plus 2y. Here minus 2z and minus 1z minus 3z. Minus 3z plus 4z is plus z or plus 1z. Okay, that is the answer. Now let us do in the horizontal method, that is by using brackets. So we group all similar terms. So x, then plus 5x, then minus 7x, then plus minus 3y, then plus 7y, then minus 2y, then plus minus 2z minus z plus 4z. Is it clear? Here in column method we write one below the other in columns. Here similar terms we put in brackets. So this becomes plus x plus 5x is 6x. 6x minus 7x is minus x. Minus 3y plus 7y is plus 4y. Plus 4y minus 2y is plus 2y. Then minus 2z minus z is minus 3z. Minus 3z and plus 4z is plus z. So that is the answer. Clear, children? Now let us do another question. Add p square minus 4p plus 5 minus 2p square plus 6p minus 6 and minus p square minus 2p and minus 7. Okay, so again we'll do in two methods. So this is our column method. This is our horizontal method. Now in column method we write the first expression as it is. So p square minus 4p plus 5, then minus 2p square plus 6p minus 6 and minus p square minus 2p minus 7. Okay, so then plus p square minus p square cancels. So minus 2p square. Here we are left with. Then minus 4p minus 2p is minus 6p and plus 6p becomes 0. Okay. Then plus 5 and minus 6 is minus 1. Minus 1 and minus 7 is minus 8. So your answer is minus 2p square minus 8. That is your answer. Okay, now let us do in horizontal method. That is by putting similar terms in one bracket. So here p square, then we have minus 2p square, then we have minus p square, then plus minus 4p plus 6p minus 2p, then plus 5 minus 6 minus 7. Okay, so now again plus p square minus p square cancel, so you are left with minus 2p square. Here minus 4p minus 2p is minus 6p, minus 6p plus 6p are cancelled. Then you may write 0 or you may simply omit. Then plus 5 minus 6 is minus 1, minus 1 and minus 7 is minus 8. So your answer is minus 2p square minus 8. Okay, clear? Now let us do one more question. Okay, question 5. Now the next question is add 2a square minus 3ab plus b square, then minus 7a square minus 5ab minus 2b square and 4a square plus AB minus 6B. Okay, children? So please pay attention. Now again the two methods. The first one, column method. The second one, horizontal method. And column method, the first expression we write as it is 2a square minus 3ab plus b square. Then second one minus 7a square minus 5ab, then minus 2b square. But in the third one, you have to pay attention. There is a new term 6b. Okay, let me do it. Then this is no sign means it is plus. So plus 4a square plus ab. Now there is no b square term, but there is a b term which is not there till here. So you have to write separately minus 6b. So the answer now when you add, this column will be plus 2. When there is no sign, is understood as plus. So plus 2 minus 7 is minus 5a square. Minus 5a square and plus 4a square is minus a square. Then plus 3ab and minus 5ab, sorry, minus 3ab and minus 5ab is minus 8ab. Minus 8ab plus ab is minus 7ab. Then plus b square and minus 2b square is minus 1b square. Then there is no b square term is here, but here there are no b terms here, but here it is only 1 6b, right? So this is the answer. And in horizontal method, you will group all a square terms. So 2a square minus 7a square, then here plus 4a square plus minus 3ab, then minus 5ab, then plus ab, then you have plus b square, then minus 2b square, and there is no b square term here, and only this b term is only here. So plus minus 6b. There is no other b term. Okay. So the answer is plus 2a square minus 7a square is minus 5a square, minus 5a square plus a square is a square. Minus a square, isn't it? Minus 5a square and plus 4a square is minus a square. Then minus 3ab minus 5ab is minus 8ab. Minus 8ab plus ab is minus 7ab. Then plus b square and minus 2b square is minus b square, and then this minus 6b. So this is your answer. Is it clear? Okay, children? Okay, children. Now let us do one more question. This is our question 6. Okay. So question 6. Add the following expressions. Minus 14a square minus 40a plus 5. Then we have 9a square plus 15a minus 17 and 2a square minus 6. Okay. So let us do again in both the methods. So the first method is your column method. So in column method, we write the first expression as it is, that is minus 14a square minus 40a plus 5, then then there is no sign, means plus, plus 9a square plus 15a minus 17, then third expression plus 2a square, there is no a term, so we don't write anything, then minus 6. Okay, so then we write minus 14 and plus 9 will give you minus 5. Minus 5a square plus 2a square will give you minus 3a square. Okay, then you have minus 40a and plus 15a, so you will get minus 10 minus 5, and here 3 minus 1 2, 25a. Then you have plus 5 and minus 6 will give you minus 1. Minus 1 and minus 17 will give you minus 18. Okay, now in the horizontal method. Okay, now we will do this in horizontal method. In horizontal method, we group the similar terms. So minus 14a square, 9a square and 2a square. So minus 14a square plus 9a square plus 2a square. Then we club all a terms, that is minus 40a plus 15a, and there is no a term in the third expression. So we write minus 40a plus 15a. Then we write the constants, that is minus 17, plus 5, minus 17 and minus 6. So plus 5 minus 17 minus 6. So now we simplify whatever is there inside the brackets. So minus 14a square and plus 9a square is minus 5a square. Minus 5a square plus 2a square is minus 3a square. So then minus 40a and plus 15a, you will get minus 25a, and then plus, okay, then you have minus 5 minus 17 will give you minus 12, minus 12 and minus 6 minus 18. So now you can write it as minus 3a square minus 25a minus 18 as your final answer. Okay, children, I hope it is clear. Okay, children, now these are your homework questions. So try to solve these questions on your own and try to tally the answers that are given below. So these are the answers for you to verify whether you have done it correctly or not. Parents, please see to it that the children solve the questions. Only practice makes them perfect. So children, do not while away time. All the classwork sums that I have done, try to do on your own and then do the homework sums. The more you practice, the perfect you become, my dear children. And this is very, very important chapter. So do not neglect. You have got the time, utilize it, practice the sums and complete the whole homework sums in any notebook. As soon as we meet, I will definitely go through the work that you have done. Parents, please see to it that the children solve these sums. First, they practice on their own the classwork sums that I have solved and shown, and then the sums that I have given as homework should be done by them. Thank you, parents. Thank you, children, for watching the video. I hope you have understood, and we will meet in the next class with subtraction of algebraic expressions. Till then, take care. God bless you.